Welcome! If you're looking to keep your Roblox trading and inventory private, but still want your friends to see what you're up to, you're in the right place. Today, I'll show you step by step how to allow only your friends to view your trading and inventory settings on Roblox Mobile. This guide is fully updated, so you'll be set with the latest instructions. Let's get started. First, grab your phone and open the Roblox app. Once you're in, look to the bottom right corner of your screen. You'll see 3 dots labeled More. Go ahead and tap on that. Now you'll see a menu with several options. What you're looking for is Settings. Tap on Settings to open up your account controls. Inside the Settings menu, find and tap on Privacy and Content Restrictions. This is where you can manage who sees what on your Roblox profile. Next, scroll down until you see the section labeled Trading and Inventory. Tap on this option. Here, you'll find the controls that let you decide who can view your trading activities and your inventory. You'll notice several choices, like Everyone, Friends, or No One. To make sure only your friends can see your trading and inventory, simply select Friends. Once you tap on Friends, your changes will be saved automatically. And that's it. Now, only the people you've added as friends on Roblox will be able to view your trading and inventory. This is a great way to keep your items and trades a little more private, while still sharing them with the people you trust. If you ever want to change this setting in the future, just follow these same steps and choose a different option. Keeping your Roblox experience safe and enjoyable is always in your hands. Thanks for watching. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more Roblox tips and tricks. See you in the next video.